Okay, so there has been a request from many students while they are watching this. They said that okay, the timer that I had put on the uppermost corner, suppose if I exceed my time, then what happens is you get a much larger beep sound, and that is very annoying and disturbing. So they said, okay, so it's not required. Anyway, we are going to watch the whole thing. There's not much of requirement there. So basically, I have removed that, and we are just solving it without using it. So initially, in fact, I was many of my very few lectures. Initially, you would have seen there was no timer. Somebody asked me the same question like, "Sir, if you are not able to solve it in 1 minute, how do you expect us to solve it in 1 minute?" So this was one question, and then I thought, okay, let me also see to it that I stick to my timings. But the app, I'm not able to control the sound behind it. How do you get this? Because if I reduce that sound, my sound will also reduce, which I don't want to happen. So what I'm doing is I'm not using the timer. Anyway, we are going to solve it. Okay? It doesn't solve any purpose if by putting a timer. Plus time to it. Okay. So now let us begin with this. A wave is traveling through a medium. The variation with time t of the displacement t of a particle is shown on there. The wave is now shown over here. What is the frequency and amplitude of the wave? Very, very easy question. The amplitude of the wave, very easy. So you can say this is my amplitude, which should be 5 nanometers. Frequency. So with the frequency, you can get the time period. What is the time period? From here to here, what is the stretch? What is the time period? What is the time period? Time period here should be equal to 0 here. Here it is 4. So 4 milliseconds. The frequency should be equal to 1 by t, which should be 1 by 4 milliseconds, which should be 1 gigahertz. If you want to know how do I get this here, you can just milli is 10 power minus 3 when it goes upwards. 1 divided by 4 into 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3 when it goes to the top, it becomes 1000. 1000 by 4 should be 2 gigahertz. So thus the answer is frequency is 250 and amplitude is 5 nanometers, answer is